channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. So if y'all haven't read that title already, we are going to be doing something to my hair, my natural hair. I just need a quick style. I'm about to head out, and I've been trying to wear my actual hair because I don't really know what to do with this. I just feel like the length is like in a weird place to me because it's not long and it's not short. So it's very hard to like manage this. Like I don't know what to do with this. So yeah, we're gonna try to do a style today because I have to go. And I wanted to record it just in case it comes out really cute. And that way, if another 4C girly wants to try it out, then she can. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And all that has happened is I put some detangling milk from the Pantene Gold series. I let this sit overnight, and that's why I've woken up with such like juicy hydrated curls. So being that my hair is very dry, I just feel like it creates like that bird nest, like matted type of effect. So keeping that detangling milk in has really like helped me out. As far as like waking up and having like easier hair to deal with, or like easier hair to manage, because it's not so like dry and all matted and all of that. So right now I'm taking my, I think it's called a Folligain roller, and it's like a derma roller for your scalp. And I'm just going over my hairline. I told you guys that I've experienced like some hair loss due to like wigs and stuff, so I've just been using this to try to get like some of my hair back. I'm gonna do this for a couple of months, and that's why I said like I'm not doing no more glue. We're only gonna do glueless methods, but I'm not wearing any wigs right now for the next couple of weeks so I can let my hair breathe. It doesn't hurt. It has like these itty bitty little micro needles in it, and you just roll it. But yeah, once I do this, I'm gonna take some black castor oil and I'm gonna apply it to my edges because I just feel like once the little holes are poked, I don't know, I just feel like the oil should like seep into the scalp, and hopefully we can get some growth in a couple of months or whatever. But yeah, so everything that I've used, I will have it listed down below so you can purchase as well. But let's go ahead and hop into it. So what I'm gonna do is start from the back to the front. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is start from the back to the front, and I actually haven't detangled my hair yet. The detangling milk is in, but I haven't detangled it myself yet. So I'm gonna do that and take it section by section. So taking this brush, I forgot what kind of brush this is, I don't know what it's called. But taking this brush, I'm just going to start detangling my hair because it's not combed out. So next, along the way, I'm going to take a little bit of this Curl Stretch Pudding by Shea Moisture. I just got this, so I'm excited to see how it does with my hair. But yeah, I definitely deal with a lot of shrinkage. So I do want to try this, but I just hope it's not like too much product. So I'm just gonna use a little bit and kind of just work it into the hair because I don't want like white product buildup. I'm really hoping that it doesn't do that, and I really hate when that happens, when you just like wash your hair and do that whole process and then you put a product in your hair and then it turns it like white and flaky and it just looks gross, and it's like, dang, now I have to do the whole process all over again. So yeah, now I'm just gonna keep doing this all over the head. And once everything is applied and detangled, then I'll just come back so that we can actually start styling. And this is what it's looking like with the product. Okay, so I'm still in the process of detangling, but this is what I've done so far, is put these in the back, kind of as some twist outs. So what I think I'm gonna do is skip the top as far as putting the twist in. I think I'm just gonna detangle it and try to put it in a ponytail. But first I kind of want to like part and map out my hair because it's my first time like trying this style, so I need to like map it out so I can see what I'm doing. I couldn't decide if I wanted a side part or a middle part, and I just feel like middle part is like the safe option. So I'm just gonna do a middle part. Okay, yeah, so like so. I'm gonna part like this much and section it off. So that one part. Okay, so this is the part right here. And so I'm just gonna keep this separated. So I'll probably just twist this and then start working on this back part. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side to like match it, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in 1 second. Okay, so this is what we're working with. We have the back that we detangled, and then we have the section that I just parted, so it's 2 on each side. And so it's a middle part, and then it goes around right here. And then I'll put the remainder in a ponytail because that's how it's gonna go. But I'm about to get Eco Gel, and I'm just gonna slick the ponytail, and I'm gonna slick this part so we can move on to the next step. Okay, so taking some Eco Gel, I'm just gonna add it to these front 2 pieces and brush it down. So how I'm gonna do that, I'm just gonna start from this side since they're gonna lay like that. So I'm just gonna start with this side. Once I like brush it down and stuff, what it should look like is like that. And then we're going to secure it in the back with an elastic. But I'm gonna keep brushing this down real quick. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm going to secure the sides with a few bobby pins like right behind the ear, just because I know once my hair dries, it's kind of gonna like scrunch up. And it's gonna like create like bumps, I already know, because it's doing it right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some bobby pins. Okay, so next I'm just gonna do a little something to the ponytail. I just need to put like a little Eco Gel and just make sure it's like really tight, because once it dries, it's gonna get like poofy. So yeah, I'm gonna do the pony, and then I'm gonna take out the back, and then we're gonna see what we're working with. Okay, so this is the top. I'm just gonna like start taking those out really carefully. I'm not gonna try to like pull them too hard. So yeah, I'm just taking them apart. That's how they're looking. And then once they're all out, I might split them up even more. Okay, so this is me trying to add my curly clip-ins for length. I just wasn't feeling it in its like natural state, just because I don't know, like I said, my hair is a weird length. It's not short and it's not long, so it was just looking awkward to me. So yeah, I'm gonna add a few pieces, like 2 pieces in the back, and then I think 1 up top of the curly clip-ins. Because I was running late, so I didn't get to film like how it turned out, but this is how it looks. So yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I love the top part. I just wish my hair blended slightly better with the clip-ins, but it was really cute. Like, I like this style. And honestly, I only added the clip-ins just because I felt like it needed some length. Like I said, it was just like an awkward length. Like, it's not short, but it's not long either. So I just feel like, I don't know, in order for me to like wear these like curly natural styles, I like long hair. I'm not too like fond of short hair, y'all know that. Like, I don't wear a lot of short hair. But yeah, I just be needing the length. Like, I need the length. I'm sorry, I can't do like the short curly. Like, it's just too much. Like, it's just too much maintenance, and I don't know how to maintain it. So yeah, I thought this was a cute style to try. I would probably do it again, but I have to find like I guess a better product, or maybe I should have kept like the twist out in a little longer so that it can blend in a little better with my curly clip-ins. But yeah, overall I think it was really cute and something simple and kind of quick. Like I said, the only thing that took the longest was detangling, like that process or whatever. But, so yeah, overall I'd probably give this style maybe like a 7. I thought it was really cute. This is probably like my favorite. So I don't know, maybe I'll try like a bun with this I don't even know what you call it. It's like bang situation. I just saw the girlies on TikTok doing this, but they did like the claw clip thing. And then I was like, what about if I tried a little headband thingy and then try to do like a style or whatever. So This is the vibes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys decide to try this style, please comment down below because I would love to see it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below what style should I try next for like 4C natural hair, y'all, because this is hard. Like, I want to put a wig on so bad. Like, this is so hard, but I'm trying my best. Like, I'm trying. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Alright, so I wanted to come back after I took my extensions out. I wanted to come back and show you guys what this style would look like if you didn't add extensions, because I really thought about it and I was like, what about my girlies that don't want to add extensions or maybe don't have the funds to add extensions? You know what I'm saying? I just feel like there should be options for everybody. So this is how it would look if I just kept out my natural hair. I just feel like, personally, to me, it just makes me look very like childish. I look like 14. But yeah, I just like the length. So this isn't really my vibe, but I wanted to come back for my girlies that want to rock their natural fro or their natural 4C and don't want to put any extensions or extra hair in it or anything like that. I respect it. And so this is just kind of how it would look. Yeah, this is how it would look if you just kept your fro out or whatever. But yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to come back real quick and show you guys this other option. But yeah, I definitely think it'd be super cute to do like a few twists and have it like down. I think that'd be mad cute.